Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales. The 2025s are starting to arrive and we are looking today at a Puma Ultralight 18RKX. Freshly landed here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam, Sis. Some beautiful features in this couple's camper. We've got a full-size awning on the outside with an LED strip underneath. That is a powered awning, of course. You've got your step above steps. Full pass-through storage here. You've got a solar panel on the roof as well. Your solar charge controller is here in the storage front compartment, and all kinds of room in there to keep a few things with you while you're on the road. On the outside of the unit here at the back, there's another storage unit and an LP quick connect underneath there, so you can connect a barbecue to it if you'd like. So all kinds of room to keep things with you while you're traveling. We'll head inside and take a look at this beautiful couples camper. Great layout on this one. You've got a front bedroom right by this beautiful window to brighten things up. All kinds of storage, as you can see, around the bed. Here you've got a nice living area. That couch will fold down to create a little extra sleeping space. If you do have company, there's also some storage underneath there. Storage above and a nice big bright window here. Nice touch here with the valance for the blind as well. Spot to sit and eat. You can convert that to a single bed as well. So you do have the booth dinette, a little bit of storage underneath each one of those benches. Spot here for a TV. If you'd like to have that put into the unit, our parts department would certainly be happy to help you out with that as well. Let's take a look at the size of this unit. You're in under a 20-foot coach. All kinds of space here, as you can see, and no slide in this unit too. So again, you got a single axle, no slide, nice and light, easy to tow this unit. Beautiful for people who are on the go and have maybe not invested yet in a big truck and want to be able to move around freely to get their camping experience in different places. So the rear kitchen layout in this one is really interesting. You've got a high-rise faucet over top of the sink, good storage underneath. 2-burner cooktop, microwave above, all kinds of storage. And this space at the back, now dual use. You can use it obviously for extra counter space, but you could slide a chair in there, maybe a little stool, and use it as a little desk if you wanted to sit and work while you're on the road, or again, just use it for extra counter space while you're cooking. Stepping back, we'll take a look at the fridge and pantry. The fridge is a dual open fridge, so it will open on both sides. Kind of cool, especially in a smaller camper, to be able to get at it from both sides. And of course, you've got all kinds of pantry space here as well. In the washroom, great corner layout to this one. You've got a small RV tub, skylight in the top so that you can get a little extra height in there. I'm 6 feet tall. I can stand up in this shower myself. A little bit of counter space and some storage. One of my favorite features that Puma has, of course, is the motion sensor light here. So if you pop in there at night, that'll pop on without having to turn on all the main lights. Corner medicine cabinet, and again, some more corner storage. So folks, as I mentioned at the outset of the video, the 2025s are starting to arrive. This one has been a 2025 Puma 18RKX XLE Lite. Beautiful camper here, set up for a couple, but certainly with enough room for some extras to come along. Come on and see us, folks. Leisure Time Sales, Chris Pam Sis, our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton have some great units for you as well.